See your teacups? Are you making some tea? Are you covering? You're covering the teacups? Spoon. Mmm. Mmm. That's yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I have tea in my tummy. Are you lining up your spoons? Spoons? Hmm? Count them. 1, 2. What happened? Hmm? You got your teapot?
Oh my god, are you
It's nice, isn't it? Yay, it's so nice. Tea time. Wow. Uh-oh, there goes your teapot. Think it's finished. Yeah. Yay! 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Wow. Yay! You have 4 spoons. Where are your cups? Where are the teacups? That's your milk and sugar. Where are your teacups?
Mommy, my cup.
Where are your teacups?
Mommy, my spoons.
You put the spoons in the teacups. Really? What's that? Okay, you're just talking a bunch of craziness now.
Mommy,
Maybe you had too much tea. Are you putting your spoons in your cups? Good girl. Wow. Put the spoons in the cups. Yay.
1, 2,
2.
3. Yay! Say boss. 9.
9. It's 4.
Yay!